Severn, Maryland, is home to some of the best window installation services, offering a wide range of options for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient windows or custom window solutions, Severn Window Services have you covered. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, these services ensure that your window installation Severn needs are met with precision and care. For those in Severn MD seeking window replacement services, there are numerous options available to suit your specific needs. From vinyl windows to double-hung windows, the choices are endless. Severn Window Replacement Services are known for their expertise in providing durable and aesthetically pleasing window solutions. Whether you're upgrading your home or office, these services offer the best window installers in Severn to ensure a seamless transition. Energy-efficient windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Severn, Maryland, looking to reduce their energy bills and improve the comfort of their homes. Severn window contractors specialize in energy-efficient window installation, providing solutions that not only enhance the appearance of your property, but also contribute to a more sustainable environment. With a variety of styles and options available, you can find the perfect fit for your home. Custom Window Solutions in Severn, Maryland offer a personalized approach to window installation. Whether you're interested in bay windows or unique window designs, Severn Window Services provide expert consultation and design services to bring your vision to life. With a focus on quality craftsmanship and attention to detail, these custom solutions are tailored to meet your specific requirements. Residential window installation. Severn MD is a seamless process with the help of experienced window contractors. From window measurement to window frame installation, these professionals ensure that every aspect of the installation is handled with care. Severn Window Fitting Services are known for their precision and expertise, making them the go-to choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal. Commercial Window Services in Severn, Maryland cater to businesses looking to upgrade their windows for improved aesthetics and energy efficiency. With a range of options including window glass installation and window sealing, Severn Window Contractors provide comprehensive solutions for commercial properties. These services are designed to meet the unique needs of businesses, ensuring that their windows are both functional and visually appealing. Vinyl window installation. Severn MD is a popular choice due to its durability and low maintenance requirements. Severn MD vinyl window installation services offer a variety of styles and colors to complement any home or business. Vinyl windows are known for their energy efficiency and ability to withstand harsh weather conditions, making them an excellent choice for Severn residents. Double-hung window installation. Severn provides a classic look with modern functionality. These windows are easy to operate and offer excellent ventilation options. Severn Window Fitting Services ensure that your double-hung windows are installed correctly, providing a perfect fit and optimal performance. Window replacement is an essential service for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Severn Window Replacement Air Experts offer a range of services, including window caulking and window insulation to address any issues you may encounter. With a focus on prompt and efficient service, these experts ensure that your windows remain in top condition.